Hi sisters, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi. If you're not new, hey girl, how you doing? In today's video I'm going to be doing one of my summer style series that I started. I think I have like about 3 or 4 styles now on my channel, so I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am enjoying doing this style. However, one of the reasons I am speaking to you guys right now, because I initially planned for this video to be like a musical type video where you guys just enjoy the music and the hairstyle. But the reason why I'm speaking to you guys right now is because I realized as I'm editing this video, I realized my lines are not, or my parts, my lines are not straight. So just bear with me, okay? I'm short-sighted and I don't have my contacts or my glasses on, so I'm using my mind. And if you're not new to this channel, you would know I always freestyle with my parts. I try to use my mind to get them straight. Maybe I had a lot on my mind. That's why these parts were not straight, and I almost did not upload this video because I just felt like it was not, it's not straight. Maybe I should refilm it. I just told myself, you know what, I'll talk to you guys, I'll explain the situation to you guys, so please bear with me. The lines are not straight, but the hairstyle I think is beautiful. So I'm going to let you guys continue watching this video and I'll speak to you guys at the end of the video, okay?
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind.
This hairstyle is literally another way you can do a low bun but with a twist. So it's summertime. This is part of my summer hairstyle series, and I just decided, you know what, instead of doing like a regular schmegular or low bun, we may as well add a twist. So I decided to make cornrows here. I think if I was to do this again, which I'm definitely going to do, I would make the cornrow bigger to be more visible and take up more space, so the fringe can also have more space as well. I think that's the best I would do. Some people, you can also use gel here just so it lays flatter, but you guys know me and gel. Regardless of that, you can use gel here and make the cornrows, which will be perfect, which will be awesome. I just don't like gel, okay? Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts. Do you guys want me to keep doing more summer hairstyles? I think I'm enjoying these summer hairstyles, especially with the length of my hair right now. I did stretch my hair out because I just wanted it stretched out, and it's been a while since I trimmed my hair. I haven't like used heat on my hair, but I decided, you know what, I may as well just stretch it out. And I also wanted it to dry because I washed it and it didn't dry, and I needed to record a video, so I just decided to blow dry it and stretch it out. Okay, however, if you do not want heat on your hair, you can use gel or you can stretch out your hair in the heatless method, using the heatless method. That's it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be there, goes in every place I find. I break them all.